had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I go.
Dear old house, thank you for keeping us safe these past 3 years. Thank you for being the place we came home at the end of the day for that really cozy feeling. Thank you for hosting all of our fun memories, the games, the laughter, the sleepless nights, the pizza parties, the movie nights. Thank you for being a comforting space when we went through one of the toughest times in our lives, those infertility and baby loss days. Thank you for being a safe space for our newborn baby. I am thankful for every small moment and every big milestone we had in this house. But now it's time to say goodbye and to say hello to new adventures. A few of you were curious as to why we're moving. Well, the house we lived in before was not really ours, it was a rental, but now we have bought our own house. It's actually similar in a lot of ways to the old one. It does have a few different features and it's slightly bigger as well. So I'm gonna take you along for the tour of our new house. And I filmed this on the day when we actually got our keys to the new house, so we were quite excited. You guys ready?
We were young and we were free and running.
Oh.
Never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
Here! This is the new house! So that's the hallway. And then we turn on the lights.
Without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you.
Isn't there a little bit of table here? Oh, look, they left the spice rack. Did you see that?
Nice.
It's cool. Okay, this is your downstairs toilet.
Only life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite place.
It's very similar to our current one. Shall we see the living room?
No? So,
You press the one first. Yay! That's the living room. Yeah, oh, that's nice. And then these, oh, they have a cover. It's for the outdoor furniture.
I'm just fine 'cause I got you.
And shall we open the fireplace? Oh, we need a key.
yeah.
I'm just gonna check how they open.
Find out where I am.
Yay, look at this big space. Let's get the key. Gosh, there's a lot of them. Isn't the same one as the front door? Or no?
It shouldn't be the same one. It's pouring.
Oh no, there's 3 sets of keys.
Yeah. Nice.
I thought I got first try. Let's see which one is this. Yep. Yep, oh,
To a door near you.
that's the one.
Don't forget to lock it.
How
No.
do you open it?
The-
Oh, I
we'll
think you
see.
pull this inside.
Yeah.
I'm just curious.
Or outside maybe.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Let the water come in.
Oh, it's just a bit. Oh, I love it.
Ooh, did we mess something up there?
Here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid.
Yeah, they left the bar with us. That's cool. And they left the paints for all the rooms. So nice. I think they left something for us in the kitchen. Did you see?
Mm-hmm.
Just there. That's so kind. Shall we go see upstairs? Let's see your room. Let's see. I love the fluffy carpet. Here we go. So we've got airing cupboard. It's very much the same like the one we have.
The boiler.
Yeah. This is your room. Here's your room. You want to have a feel? Should I take this off? 'Cause it's a bit warm in here. Whose room is this?
Look, is that the blackout blind?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's okay. We'll see. Well, at least until we put more.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, Sophie, let's go see the other rooms. Let's go see the other rooms.
Let's go in Victor's bedroom.
Oh, Victor's one. Yeah. And then there's the toilet, or I guess bathroom.
Mhm.
Yay. That's the bigger one with the bathtub, and then this is our room. I like the paneling they did on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
That looks cool. Shall we see the wardrobe? I haven't actually seen how it is inside. Ooh.
Oh, and there's lights.
Wow, there's so much storage.
Look at that, they're even.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means that we get the same space. Not sure
It's
you.
okay now that I've reduced my clothes. Look at that.
It's a lot of storage for me.
Both of us, baby, both of us. And then we've got, where do we take this one? Our ensuite.
Ah,
I also haven't seen it. Oh wow, that's a lot of space. It's got windows inside, mirrors inside too.
mhm.
That is so big. To be honest, I don't think we will fill all of that up. 'Cause we don't
No.
have that much stuff now.
No.
But that's handy. Our new house. Excuse me. Are you looking in the mirror? Who's that? Hello? Hello? Here's the garden, and apparently we have an apple tree, don't we? Oh, that's handy. What's in there?
Pouring like a waterfall. I cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong.
That's it. Oh, is that a workbench?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us, and I hope you're gonna stick around for the journey as we turn this house into our own home and as we continue on our minimalism journey as well. So I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!